Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to get legendary eggs in Brawl Stars, and I'm going to show you one of the ways that I found to be actually doable, and it's going to be, I'm just going to show you the website and the certain tutorial to do. So basically the thing about getting legendary eggs, people have made some tutorials on them. For example, if I go to YouTube and if I, for example, type in how to get legendary eggs, as you can see there are multiple videos to watch. So if I go to this one, for example, so these guys are actually using hacks to get these eggs. So as you can see, a person in the comment section says it did not work, spent 79 gems on nothing. So basically these people are using hacks, as you can see. So this is just worthless. So any one of these videos, so as you can see there is this similar video here as well, but anyway, I'm just going to show you this website. I'm going to leave a link to this website in the video description. So basically the good way to do this, you need to do a certain eggs swipe pattern to get the legendary eggs. I'm just going to show you the pattern and everything else is up to you. Okay, so this is a tutorial by Screenplays Mag. So anyway, start up your game, and then you need to swipe left, down, right and up to get the rare egg. Now you can also get super rare egg, which is right, left, down and up. Also you can get a epic egg by doing a swipe pattern left, right, down and up and down. You can also of course see all of this by yourself in the website itself. I'm going to leave you a link, but you can also follow the instructions in our video and just pause the video and do the certain pattern that you want. And also of course, as you can see here, if you are lucky you'll get a mythic egg after following this pattern. So the last one is going to be left, right, down, up and down. And another way to get some good egg is to swipe 3 times left and right continuously. So this is going to be your guide to get some free eggs in Brawl Stars. As always, the link is going to be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped, leave a comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you very soon.